If you have tried to find out the size of a folder in Google Drive, you might have noticed that Google Drive doesn't provide an easy way to view folder sizes. As you can see, size column shows no data for the folders. In this video, I will show you two easy ways to check the size of your Google Drive folders. The first method involves Drive Explorer, a powerful web app that can retrieve a list of files from your Google Drive. It can fetch details like download links, image links, file paths, descriptions, the size of files and folders, and more. Best of all, you don't need to install anything. It works directly from your browser. The second method uses Rclone, a versatile command line program that works with over 70 cloud storage providers, including Google Drive. It does require installation on your system, but if you are technical, you will find it worth the effort. Now, let's check the size of the World Capitals folder using Drive Explorer and Rclone. To use Drive Explorer for finding folder sizes, start by visiting the link in the description below. Then, click Pick from Google Drive and choose your Google account to authorize access to your Google Drive. Once authorized, you will see a Google File Picker dialog. Select the folder you want to check the size of, then click Fetch Files to retrieve the file details. All the files in that folder will be listed. Now, click the hamburger menu in the top left and select Export Folder Size Data. The downloaded CSV file will contain the size and URL of all the folders listed. Now, we know that the size of the World Capitals folder is 5.7 GB. You can also check the size of all the folders inside the World Capitals folder in the same CSV file. Let's see how to check the folder size using Rclone. First, you need to install Rclone on your system. You can find installation instructions for all operating systems on their website. I will install it using Homebrew since I use a Mac. After installing, we need to configure our Google account to work with Rclone by running the rclone config command. Input N and press enter to create a new config. Give it a descriptive name. I will use G drive. Next, it will ask for the storage type. For Google Drive, type drive. You can leave the client ID and client secret empty by pressing enter twice. We will grant Rclone read-only access. So type 2 and press enter. We won't use service account credentials. So press enter to skip that. For advanced config, press enter to skip again. Rclone will use the browser for authorization, which is selected by default. So press enter again. A link will be opened on your default browser. If you want to use another browser, simply copy-paste the link displayed in the browser of your choice. Select your Google account to authorize access. After successful authorization, return to your terminal. If you want to use Rclone with a shared drive, type Y and press enter. Otherwise, just press enter. Finally, press enter to save the config. Then, type Q and press enter to exit the config menu. To find the size of a Google Drive folder, type Rclone size followed by the remote name used during configuration and a colon. Since I use G drive as my remote name, I will type Rclone size G drive colon. Next, input the path to the folder you want to check the size of. Our World Capitals folder is at the top level. So, I will type world/space capitals. To handle spaces in the folder names, we use /. Then press enter. The folder size will be displayed. To check the size of the Canada folder inside World Capitals, just add /Canada to the command. You can use Rclone to find the size of any folder in your Google Drive this way. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.